you want to start the dropshipping business in Amazon? If the answer is yes, then today's video will teach you how to do this. I'm here with my manager in India. Hello Sam, are you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, where's Sam? How are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Can you please tell me, is it possible to share your screen now and to show our results? Welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Vitan and I left my job as a software engineer to start my own business.
Okay, so we get few more sales. As you can see, there is total balance and sales so far.
Sam, what are the steps that people need to follow to start the dropshipping at Amazon.com?
If people want to start Amazon dropshipping, then he need to have a Amazon Seller Central account. He can create it easily, and it's better if he has LLC in US, and then he can register his individual account to the LLC and make it a business account. So it will be good for dropshippers. And also we need the buyer account, like Walmart, like Sam's Club, like Home Depot, like Amazon Business Prime also. We use Amazon Business Prime account as a supplier account, and also we need tax exempt so that it will bring extra 10% more profit.
If I am from Europe and I want to start dropship, are you able to help me?
Yes, of course. I will help you to create LLC, and once you have LLC, you can create Walmart, Sam's Club, every US account.
If I didn't have LLC and I want to start, what I need to do, from where to start?
Okay, we will provide you an email address.
Here on the screen I will left my email address and people can send me message and we will support them to create LLC. After that, if they don't have any Walmart or Sears account, how they can start?
Okay, they can using their LLC address to create a Sam's Club account, Walmart account, or Sam's Club account. They can create one. There is few things need to follow. For Sam's Club, they need to take a membership, and Walmart in the Home Depot, they need to take the membership plan because it will help you to get free shipping. And also we need tax exempt so that every order will be tax free.
Then you can support them with the accounts and with the accounts with tax exempt, right?
Right.
Okay, can you help them with the product research, customer support, everything else?
Yes, we will help you A to Z on Amazon. Just they need the investment money, how much they want to invest. As you can see, I already shared my screen with you. You can see this account has already like 50,000 plus balance.
Yeah, for how long is that? For how long time is that?
So let's took the custom date range and let's start only October. Okay. So you can see I select October 1 and today is October 30. So let's apply it. We are around 100K.
Only for October?
Yeah, only on October. Yeah, so I mean we can bring like 200K sales because if someone is newcomer on Amazon business, he don't have any feedback or he's a pretty new account, then it will took time because need to mature the account and need to bring the feedback. So there is a few things need to follow. Like we need to purchase feedbacks, and we will help you over there also, and we will guide you how to do that, and every single step we will help you.
How much I need to start at Amazon dropshipping?
Basically there is no limit to start. Okay, but there is a lot of people who want to just give it a try if it's work for them or not. So they can start with a little amount and then they can increase it.
How much? If I have 1K, are they okay?
1K, we can bring like $10,000 sales in a day. So 1K, it's like it's a very small amount, but no problem. We can assure you about that. We can start with that, but it is not something that people can make profit over there, because if the client do the tax exempt, it will cost him money. And if they take the membership plan, so it will also charge him. So in that way, they will invest money, but which not showing him a profitable result. So it's better to keep more money in hand to start Amazon dropshipping.
Okay, and then you need at least $500 for LLC in USA. You need some more money about sales that you will do at Amazon. You need money for the membership, for tax exempt, and how much you need to start made good profit, to start made around 10K or 15K of sales per month.
For new account, it will take maybe 1 month. But after 1 month, 15K sales we can bring in 1 week.
Okay, 15K, but how much money I need to start made 15K sales per month? How much money I need to invest at the beginning?
So just let's make it a ratio. Let's assume we listing products around 20% profit. Okay. So just you need to deduct the profit, so you will understand that how much you need to invest. So let me calculate for you. If you need $15,000 sales, so how much you need to profit invest, correct?
Yes.
So you need to invest around 12,000 to get 15,000 sales.
And my profit will be around 3K, right? $3,000.
Yes, more or less approximately.
Yeah, of course, it's average. Okay, but I want to start. How much time will take me to create LLC in USA? Last LLC that I create take me 3 months to receive the AN number. Must I need to have a ETIN number?
Actually the thing is that if you going through any third party or the vendor, it will took time, but around 3 months, something like that. But if you do through us, it will take a bit less time.
Okay, then you can provide me Amazon seller account, right?
I can't give you the seller account. You need to create. I will help you how to create, because you need to put there your details.
Okay, then if I have money and I want to start dropshipping, you can help me to create account at Amazon, LLC, and everything else.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, and how much time it will take me to create LLC and to start selling at Amazon?
If you going through from scratch, then definitely it will take you to 3 and 4 months.
Okay. And how much I need to pay for your service?
For service charge, we have different charges, so it's better to have a consultation.
Okay, then everybody can contact us at support@smpro.net and can receive information personally from you. Can you show me some more accounts that we have currently?
Okay, this account also received sales today, and you can see that this account has balance.
But this account is with buy box, and it's normal to receive a lot of sales. If my account is pretty new and I didn't have a buy box, Does it mean that I will receive a good amount of sales, or I need to wait 3 months at the beginning to start receiving a buy box first?
We know the tricks that how to win buy box soon.
But if the account is new?
The point is here, we need to mature the account. Once we mature that account, then we can confirm you that how many products can win buy box and everything. Actually, if you are used to with Amazon account, then you are able to see yourself that which products already win the buy box and which one not.
I was thinking that Amazon buy box can be taken after the 3 months of use, after 3 months, at least after 3 months after your first sale. Is it correct?
Yeah, that is correct. But well, initially what we did, if the account is new and make sure that Amazon not going to suspend, so we do a ABA, small amount of ABA. It will around cost you $50. So we purchased some product and sent to Amazon FBA, and we started selling over there.
And this win buy box for new account.
Yeah, that will help you to get win buy box soon.
This is a awesome trick. Okay, thank you very much about this conversation. If somebody want to start dropshipping at Amazon, he can contact us at support@smpro.net. Thank you very much, Sam, and see you soon. Bye bye. Don't forget to watch our video how we have over $272,000 sales in our Amazon account. Thank you very much, Sam, and see you.